Got issues with your Frigidaire range oven? Hey, welcome to HNK Parts. Today, we're showcasing 6 genuine OEM replacement parts to restore your oven's performance. Let's dive in. First, the bake igniter. It ignites the oven's bake burner for consistent heating, rated at 3.2 to 3.6 amps and 120 volts, with a ceramic body and 7-inch wire leads. It's ideal for ovens that fail to heat or ignite slowly. Next, the oven temperature sensor. It monitors internal oven temperature with 1100 to 2200 ohms resistance, a 3.5-inch probe, and a plug-in connector. This ensures precise baking temperatures. Next, the oven rack. It is chrome-plated, measures 24 inches wide by 16 inches long, and supports multi-level cooking. It's perfect for replacing warped or damaged racks. Then, the electronic control board. It controls timers and cycles, operates at 120 volts with surface mount technology, and is a direct plug-in replacement. It restores functionality for faulty displays or controls. Finally, the sealed burner, 9.5K, it delivers 9,500 BTU output, is sealed to prevent spills, and offers precise flame control for simmering or searing. It ensures strong, clean flames. Shop Frigidaire range oven replacements at hnkparts.com with fast shipping and a 30-day return policy. Visit hnkparts.com, search by SKU, and fix your oven today. Follow us on social media for more latest product updates and deals. Subscribe and comment with your repair questions. Thanks for watching.